talking about the presser, I would like to show you the most wonderful equipment in our factory. It is a double screw palm oil presser, which our clients love about this one, and it is the most popular equipment inside of our factory. And let me show you the crude palm oils. The oils will go through about the meshes one by one to remove about the impurities. Really high efficiency. And we also have different size. That is a bigger size, but check about this one. It is a much smaller size for this clay filter. And even though we have a really smaller one, for example, like I will use palm fruit as an example. Like if you just want to get the palm oils on your own, in your own family, or share this equipment with your neighbors, you can just use about this one because there is a really simple pressing line. For example, you can just easily to get one thresher to get the very clean palm fruits and use one presser here, like single screw presser or double screw presser, which is totally depends on your budget. And then you can just add one pound clay filter to obtain about the palm oil. That is the most simple pressing line here.